Ever wonder how some people seem unstoppable, focused, energized, and 2 steps ahead before the world even wakes up? It's not magic, it's their morning routine. From world-class athletes to self-made entrepreneurs, the one thing they all have in common is this: they've mastered their mornings. And today, so will you. Let's build a morning routine that actually works. One that transforms your mindset, habits, and future. Your morning doesn't begin with an alarm, it begins with intention. Stop waking up reactively, scrolling your phone, hitting snooze, dreading the day. Instead, wake up on purpose. Set your alarm 30 minutes earlier and decide what that time is for. Clarity, movement, planning. Mini challenge. Tomorrow, wake up 30 minutes earlier than usual. No phone, just stillness or journaling for 5 minutes. You don't need a 2-hour gym session, just 10 to 15 minutes of movement to boost your energy and confidence. It's about sending your brain this message: we're alive, we're strong, we're in control. Mini challenge. Do 15 jumping jacks, 10 push-ups, or a 5-minute stretch right after waking up. Get the blood flowing. Step 3. Fuel with purpose. What you put into your body in the morning sets the tone. Hydrate first. Eat clean. Even something simple like eggs, oats, or fruit can power your mind for hours. Skip the sugar spikes and brain fog. Fuel like a champion. Mini challenge. Tomorrow morning, drink a full glass of water and prepare one healthy breakfast item. Step 4. Set your top 3 priorities. Don't just hope to be productive, plan for it. Before the chaos begins, write down the 3 most important things you need to accomplish today. Not 10, not everything. Just the 3 that move your life forward. Mini challenge. Write down your top 3 priorities tonight or first thing tomorrow. Keep them visible all day. Step 5. Visualize success and speak it into existence. Spend just 2 minutes visualizing the best version of yourself. See yourself crushing goals, staying calm under pressure, making progress. Add a powerful affirmation: I am focused. I am disciplined. I am building my future, one morning at a time. Mini challenge. Close your eyes and say one positive affirmation out loud every morning this week. Your morning routine is the launchpad to your next level. You don't need to be perfect, just consistent. Start small, stay strong. And in 7 days, you'll feel the shift. In 30 days, you'll see the results. In 90 days, you won't recognize your old life. Call to action. So what's one habit you're adding to your mornings? Drop it in the comments below. Let's thrive together. And if you're ready to rise, grind, and grow, subscribe and click the notification bell for your daily dose of inspiration. Share this with a friend or family member who needs a reset. Let's build better mornings and better lives.